Come one, come all. Our newest Mani by Me collection includes an unlimited admission to the cutest amusement park in the world. Take your imagination to even greater heights with our new Fun Fair collection. Da 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 da!
The first thing you'll get are 2 limited edition plates.
Features whimsical patterns like bold stripes, balloon animals, and fireworks for easy manicures. The next plate features carnival games, kawaii treats, and circus performers.
This month, the first polish is Blue Ribbon. This color is a nice cream blue. And Candy Apple is a red with a little bit of a silvery metallic finish.
For the finale, each subscriber will get a bear-inspired apron.
You can stick everything inside these handy little pockets, like your polishes, stamping plates, whatever you want. So
there you go.
Is everything you'll receive inside this box, so you can begin your nail journey immediately.